Lights and Sounds Director, Jojo Bonquin. Our stage design is made by Christopher Asper and Richard Douglas. We have guest guitarists. They are Chris Baronga and Bert Bolante. And of course, with these beautiful lights and sounds that we have seen and heard, we thank Celco, the proprietor owned by Mr. Akib Udor. And of course, I could not forget my conference who are here with me. I would like to call them by name because I know them. From my right, starting Brother Anson, Brother Ornian, Gabriel, Jones, Aiden, Giselle, Daniel, and Jeremiah. And of course, from the band, from the Brother Jonathan. And James, yes, the boss. And of course, we cannot forget the one you see unique, wearing black habit, but he is conventional, coming imported from Italy, conducted and sing with the brothers, his Father Gennaro. I have still a list of long names, but you know, as much as they expressed also not to name themselves, they want to keep the reward, and they just want to remain anonymous. So I would not read or name them. I have here a list of 50.
Okay.
Thank you very much po. Maraming pong salamat. Kami po ituwang-tuwa kasama ng mga kapatid sa inyong mga lugar. Mabuhay kayo lahat.